Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to fix the mobile version not looking right in Hostinger website builder. This website is built using Hostinger website builder, and if you see the old version, the website logo was small. Here, after the update, it is adjusted, and this section took too much screen real estate, and now it takes only small portion in order to make this text and photo above the fold. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. Simply go to hpanel.hostinger.com, then log in to your Hostinger account and click on websites. Next to the website that you want to fix its mobile version, click on this edit website button. This is the same website. This website is this one on this mobile view. And now to first edit just the mobile view, switch from computer or desktop view to mobile. And here, let's start fixing my website. The first thing I will make sure to first let's start with adjusting the logo size. So select it like this and adjust the logo size like this. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger website builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add-in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and the integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. First let's start with adjusting the logo size. So select it like this and adjust the logo size like this. Okay, now that we finish it, close this window. And then let's jump to this SIP page, which is, in my case, it's called sustainability. As you see, this is the same exact page. Now select the section like this and adjust it just like this. Let's push this a little bit up and fix it just like this. Now this text shows up and also this photo up above the fold without having to scroll down. Now let's see, editing the mobile version of your website is only applied for the things like design, for example, logo size, section height, and something like this. If you correct or if you edit, for example, text, if you add, edit, or remove text, it will be applied on both versions. By both I mean the desktop and also the mobile view. How to verify this? Let's add handcrafted Turkish caps let's add this word tutorial. As you see, this word is added only on the mobile view, and if you switch to this desktop view, it was applied also the same way. Okay, now that we've added or edited or fixed my mobile view issues, don't forget to update your website from here. Now that my website is updated, let's view the mobile view fixes. Okay, I need to switch, or instead of, yes, let's switch from if you don't know how to switch from the mobile or the desktop view to the mobile view on Google Chrome, simply click on the website using the right button like this, then click on inspect, and here you will see something like this. Click on this little icon and you will switch from computer to smartphone. Okay, you can adjust this window size and you will see the mobile view. As you see, this is the old mobile view, small logo, also big section, and here bigger logo. And let's check the sustainability page, and as you see, the adjusted section. And this is how to fix the mobile view not looking right in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.